Mats Magdu. We are the children, the children of God. Come, come, come. We change our world. We have what it takes to do it smart and make it smart. Welcome to our Smart Do.
Hello grade 4 pupils, welcome to today's lesson. Today we are looking at ordering decimals. Ordering is arranging of numbers or decimals either from the smallest to the largest or from the largest to the smallest. We are going to start with ordering tens from the smallest to the largest. We are ordering tens from the smallest to the largest. We say the tens is the first digit after the decimal point. Then you are given, you are told to arrange these decimals from the smallest to the largest. You have 0.4, 0.7, 0.1, and 0.9. Order this or arrange or write these decimals starting from the smallest to the largest. So in this case, we are going to use a number line. You write the decimals in a number line. This is 0 point, that is 0. We have 0.1, 0.2, we have 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, then here we have 1.0. We don't say from 0.9 to 0.10 is 1.0 because now it has reached the maximum. So we have from 0 to 1. We have arranged them from 0 to 1. So where do these circle these decimals in the number line? We circle those decimals in the number line. We have the first one is 0.4. Where is 0.4? Circle 0.4. We have the other one is 0.7. You circle 0.7. These ones are now from the smallest to the largest according to the number line. The next one is 0.1. Where is 0.1? 0.1 is here. Then we have 0.9. Where is 0.9? 0.9 is here. So write down the circled decimals in their order. Because we have to start from the smallest to the largest, the smallest one will be 0.1, followed by 0.4. Next, 0.7. Then lastly, 0.9. So we have arranged them from the smallest to the largest. The smallest is 0.1. So in these decimal numbers given here, the smallest decimal number is 0.1 according to our number line. 0.1, 0.4, followed by 0.7, and the largest is 0.9. So is it possible to arrange these numbers or these decimal numbers from the largest to the smallest? From the largest to the smallest. I want us to arrange them from the largest to smallest. How will they appear? Which is the largest decimal point according to this number? Now we write them from this point. The first digit from the right is now the largest. So we'll have 0.9 followed by 0.7 followed by 0.4 and the smallest is 0.1. So we have arranged them from the smallest to the largest according to the number line, then also from the largest to the smallest. The smallest is on this on the lower side, while the largest is on the right hand side according to the number line. We still have another example. We are ordering decimals. Write the following decimals from the largest to the smallest. You are given 0.8, 1.2, 1.7, and 1.0, 0.8, 1.2, 1.7, and 1.0. So we still go back to our number line. We go back to our number line because we start from 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9. We have 0.9. From 0.9, I said is 1.0. Then here we have 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8. Let's go up to that 1.8. So from there, having now you written down your number line, circle the decimals given on the number line. Circle the decimals given on the number line. So we have 0.8. 0.8 is here. We also have 1.2. Where's 1.2? 1.2 is here. Circle it. We also have 1.7. Where's 1.7? 1.7 is here. And lastly, we have 1.0. Where's 1.0? Is it here? No, it is in the middle. It is here. 1.0. So, from there, write them from the smallest to the largest. The first circled number is the smallest. So, in this number line, with the number that is circled, the first in the number line is 0.8. So that means 0.8 is the smallest, followed by 1.0, followed by 1.2, then lastly we have 1.7. So this is now the arrangement of the numbers, or the decimal numbers, from the smallest to the largest. I said the number that appears on the first one on the left is the smallest. Then the last number here is the largest. So if you want to arrange these numbers from the largest to the smallest, from the largest to the smallest, how will they appear? From the largest to the smallest. Which is the largest number according to the number line? Is the number on the far right. That is 1.7, followed by 1.2, followed by 1.0, then lastly 0.8. So that is how we arrange decimals. That is tens from the smallest to the largest, and also from the largest to the smallest. You just need a number line, then circle the decimals given on the number line. And that is now how you arrange them. Thank you. So that is the arrangement of decimals from the smallest to the largest.